Hi, hello. Oh, it's so bright. Not the best lighting in the world, but you see behind me, I have this shelf. I actually got this at an auction back in December for this antique mall that went out of business in a small town. They're kind of selling it off by like booth or section, and I won 2 bids on things. One was like a whole booth of stuff, which I sold most of it, or a chunk of it, I would say, in my booth at WT Times, and a lot of it I ended up just giving away or donating because it just really wasn't my vibe or not vintage. So, but there's still a few lingering things I have. Sorry, my hair looks like hot garbage, but this shelf is one of the few things I have left that I need to deal with still. Really not in good shape, and I'll give you a better view, but it's made on a particle board and then like this rubber kind of edging stuff, and I don't know, I just figured I wanted to do something kind of fun with it and paint it since it's cheap shitty furniture anyways, you know. So that's going to be my plan. I won't start it today, but hopefully tomorrow give it a paint job, and I don't know, I might keep it to use my booth, or I might sell it. I really don't know. Facebook Marketplace really hasn't been very viable for me lately, but I don't know, I just figured this would be a fun project to do and fun to film, so yeah, let me give you a closer view. So here's kind of a better view of the edge banding that's coming off. You can see it's like all just shitty particle board, and so it's chipping away. There's kind of like this faux wood sticker laminate stuff on here that's peeling off, so I'm just gonna peel that the rest of the way off and then probably re-glue this stuff and just paint over everything is my plan. Even this wood, because I don't know, I'm just not feeling this dark wood, and it's cheap and shitty anyways. My dog sees a cat and he's about to attack it. The cat just is staring. It's quite strange. Hey, get back over here. Charlie, get back over here. It's been like 2 months since I filmed the intro for this video. I'm not even gonna check back to see if it looked any good, but I'm actually going to start on this. I thought I was ready at the time that I filmed the intro, but nope. Anyways, let me bring you in a little bit closer here. As you can see here, I need to get this paper stuff off, and I've discovered that this paint scraper does the trick, so I'll get started on that. I've been scraping out this for a while. Some of the other ones, the paper stuff was like super thin, so it was much easier to scrape off. But the one shelf that I was trying to film, really hard to scrape off. So I think I'm just gonna sand it, that way it'll make the surface smoother anyways, and I was kind of planning on sanding it, so yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so finally got the shelves sanded off enough, I think. At least all of that papery stuff is gone. And now I'm gonna slightly sand the wood. I'm not gonna like completely sand all of the finish off, but just enough so it's scuffed up, I guess. Probably been like a week or something. I don't know. Now that I've sanded this and moved it inside, I will go ahead and use this wood filler, quick wood, to go ahead and make this not so, I don't know, these weird little grooves in here. Would like to make it kind of wavy. We'll see what happens. But I have gloves, so I've got it mixed up and we'll get to it. Been a while. I've actually went through 5 of those little tubes of the JB Weld because it took so much more than I anticipated. I went to Lowe's like 3 times and then I had to use my crappy wood filler because I didn't want to go and buy another one. And now I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick sand to kind of smooth it out a little bit more, and then I will go from there. Cloth time. Now, primer time. I actually went ahead and flipped it upside down. You can't really tell because it kind of looks the same on both sides, but okay, so I flipped it around again and painted it. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for where we're at. As you can see, a little splotchy, but this is just the primer coat and it's gonna get more layers of paint anyways. Finally at the point where I can start painting this. I got this paint that I used on actually the wall right behind me. Start by covering some of the bigger areas and before I move on to the fun detailed part. I finished painting the all the legs of the shelf, and then underneath, you can't really see it, and then the edges, just since that's like the lightest color I'm using anyways. Sorry, excuse my wet hair. Also, just took a shower. I don't know if you can see it at all, but I penciled in some lines where I'm going to fill it in with the paint. And I'm just gonna keep going with the yellow. I haven't really decided placement, but I know I'm gonna use 3 colors, so I'm just gonna kind of go from there. several days have gone by now, but I'm finished. So I will go ahead and show you the shelf. Wow. I'll give you a closer view in a minute, but it's finished painting, so yeah, I'm excited. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Shelf is done. I just threw these funds on here because I thought it looked nice. I'm probably gonna bring this to my booth. You've seen the video where I went over my booth at Love Me 2 Times, the Vintage Mall. But yeah, that's probably where that's gonna live. I might sell it. I have no idea. I just got that shelf for free, and I guess it was a good opportunity to paint. It didn't turn out perfect. I really wish that I could have smoothed these like rails out more so where it like looked wavy like how I envisioned. But it's all right. I went through like, I can't remember what I said earlier, but like 5 tubes of the wood putty stuff. I think in retrospect, I probably could have used like caulking or something, but either way, it's done. Maybe you enjoyed this video, maybe you didn't. Maybe like and subscribe or don't, I don't know. Anyways, okay, bye.